Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistance. Airbus' next big move is a new aircraft coming soon? Is Airbus preparing to launch a brand new aircraft? In this video, we dive into the latest rumors, industry insights, and future possibilities surrounding Airbus' next jet. From potential replacements to groundbreaking designs, here's what could reshape the skies. 1. Next-gen single-aisle roadmap unveiled at the 2025 summit. Airbus detailed plans for a successor to the A320neo family, targeting entry into service in the late 2030s. This clean sheet design aims for 20–30% better fuel efficiency through advanced tech bricks like efficient engines and foldable wings. 2. Folding wing innovation. The Wing of Tomorrow program features a novel foldable wing that extends in flight for greater lift and reduced drag, while folding for airport compatibility. This biomimicry-inspired design could slash fuel use by enhancing aerodynamics, with prototypes in testing. 3. Open fan engine designs. Airbus is partnering with CFM International on disruptive open fan engines, promising 20% less fuel burn than current models. A demonstrator will fly on an A380 testbed by 2030, emphasizing hybrid electric integration for non-propulsive functions. 4100% sustainable aviation fuel (SAF) compatibility. The new single aisle will support full SAF blends, potentially cutting lifecycle CO2 emissions by 80%. This aligns with aviation's net zero 2050 goals, using bio-sourced resins and recycled composites for lighter, greener builds. 5. Hybrid electric propulsion advances. Next-gen batteries will enable hybrid architectures, powering taxiing, air conditioning, and partial thrust. This evolutionary step, per CEO Guillaume Faury, integrates AI for predictive maintenance and real-time optimization. 6. A220 airspace cabin launch. In April, Airbus officially launched the A220 airspace cabin with Air Canada as the debut customer. Deliveries start in early 2026, featuring larger XL bins, enhanced lighting, and connectivity for a premium feel on the efficient regional jet. 7. Zero hydrogen program update. Airbus revised its hydrogen roadmap at the summit, delaying regional fuel cell aircraft by 5–10 years but committing to ground tests by 2027. A new concept showcases 4 2-megawatts electric engines powered by hydrogen fuel cells for zero-emission flights. 8. Digital and AI integration. Future aircraft will feature a connected ecosystem with AI-driven automation for efficiency and passenger experience. This includes real-time data analytics to minimize downtime, building on the A220's upgrades. 9. Potential A360 designation. Speculation points to an A360 for the single-aisle replacement or a new widebody like an A330neo successor. With backlogs stretching to 2030, Airbus eyes a 2027–2030 formal launch to avoid supply crunches. 10. Sustainability partnerships. The summit launched collaborations like the Pacific Project with Rolls-Royce and Neste to study contrail impacts, and a tie-up with the Solar Impulse Foundation for green innovations. These bolster Airbus' push towards circular materials and regulatory support for hydrogen infrastructure. These developments position Airbus to lead in eco-friendly aviation amid competition with Boeing's delayed programs. The single-aisle project, evolutionary yet ambitious, could redefine narrow-body travel, while hydrogen efforts pave the way for radical change. With engine selection eyed for 2027, 2025 marks a pivotal year of groundwork, bridging today's efficiencies with tomorrow's zero-carbon dreams. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.